What is going on, my party people? It is Monday and another work week. Shout out all the fathers out there. Hope you had a great weekend. Enjoyed your day. We're back on the grind here. Shout out to everybody who stopped through for the Who Has the Heat Championship. Shout out to Go Weezy for winning, and shout out to Authentic Kicks Ricky for a great battle. Now, this is a very busy week for Who Has the Heat LLC. Yes, I said LLC. We're going to be LLC. We got the championship going on. And now I got all this done. Disturbance in the background. But I swear, that's why sometimes you just do videos and you just gonna hit the pause. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, so Who Has the Heat LLC? We got the business card coming. We're going to have merch coming, all that good stuff. But this week, y'all already know it's TOC with BAA Black Ass African. We got Hop Dog. We got Jug. We got Go Weezy all up in the building. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? A weekend, 3 battles, 1 champion. You feel me? So go check all them out. It's going to be on 6313 Retro Queen channel along with the bros PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. Y'all already know we building this thing brick by brick. That's how we got to keep doing it. I know I'm still getting my stuff together. Got my tripod. Just going to get my little O-ring or whatever. Get my stuff situated because I know people tend to like to see you talk. But it's not about me. It's about the shoes, as we already know. And most of you already have this shoe. I'm late to the party because this week y'all already know it's a busy week for drops. Some people have the Air Force One. This week you got the LeBron 17 graffiti, you got the tie-dye, you got the animal instinct, actually you got the tie-dye and the camels dropping on the same day. Decisions, and then you got the 11 lows dropping as well. And I guess they just don't want me to be great today because this guy got all of this done. Noise in the background, which is pissing me off. But we're gonna jump into this review. Hopefully it ain't too screwed up with all the background. I should be doing editing, but I just ain't got time for editing right about now. But this is different to bring out something a little different. This shoe actually sold out low key. I think it had another drop and I just completely missed it. But I have it now in my possession. Nike Air Presto, white, metallic, gold, black, medium. Now this is interesting because they do small, medium, large, extra large. So medium is like between 9.5 or 10, 9.5 and 11. And you see you got your QR code. And this shoe was pretty kind of limited. And as you can see, you got your Prestos, and it tells you right here. Here's the breakdown, right? Medium, women 10.5 to 12.5, men 9 to 11. So I was in the right ballpark, right? If y'all don't know about Prestos, especially the Prestos React. If you don't know, now you know. Bars. Oh my gosh, look at this. And splam. Check it out. Very comfy. Compared to, I would compare, they probably on the level with Ultra Boost or Adidas. I know a lot of people don't like Adidas, but I say it's on the same level with Ultra Boost. And yes, this is a very light shoe. Underneath, as you can see, so you got Duralon underneath. This is Duralon. You got your Air under there. You got your BRS 1000, and you got this South Korea look to the shoe, right? On this, because you got the little see-through plastic here. You got your nylon material. I mean, this is very light. You got your stitched in swoosh, which is very dope. Your Presto, your P with your swoosh sign right here. You got your black laces. You can see I just grabbed these, didn't even try it on. You got your gold check on the side. You got your red hits right here with your dot. And you got your Korea sign on the back of the shoe, which is very dope touch. This is probably 3M. Let's see. Is it shining bright like a diamond? I'm not hard to say it. Put the light on, but yeah, it did. Okay, there it is. It's 3M. Okay, take it off. Very. So a little pull tab here on the booty. Tap you get it on, but you shouldn't have no problem getting this shoe on. You got red, like I said, with your blue. Very dope touch. And you got Presto. Kind of got like this tiger stripe vibe going on with your blue Swoosh underneath, and you got the EO inside, Presto, which is, I mean, like I said, it's a very, very light shoe. You got your QR code, 11/20/19 to 1/11/20. So let's take the other one out like so, just to see if it's the same similarities on the shoe. And pretty much it's the same thing, just pretty much red on the outer, like so, blue on the inner. So very dope shoe. Glad I was able to get this shoe, and I am no longer asleep, I am awake on these joints. I like it. I likes it a lot. So on a little meter out of 5, I will give it a 4.9. 4.9 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. You let me know what you think. Is this your cup of tea, or you pass, or is this gonna be a reach back? So thanks for all the love and support. Leave your comment suggestion below, and we can chop it up later. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.